Ever pondered why case study assignments are a crucial part of your academic journey? They're not just about showcasing your understanding of a subject, but also about applying theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. So, how does one tackle such a task? Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you navigate through. Firstly, understanding the assignment is imperative. A thorough read-through of the case study helps comprehend the context, key issues and objectives. Be sure to pay attention to any specific questions or tasks provided by your instructor. Next, time to dig deep. Conduct research and gather additional information if required. This might involve academic articles, books or other relevant sources. As you dive into the information, take notes on relevant data, facts and background information related to the case. The third step involves identifying the key problems or issues. It's about analyzing the case to pinpoint primary problems or challenges faced by the individuals or organizations involved. Don't forget to consider both immediate and underlying issues. Now, it's time to analyze the data and evidence. Use appropriate analytical tools or frameworks such as SWOT analysis, pestle analysis, or Porter's 5 forces to examine the situation. The fifth step is to develop a theoretical framework. Apply relevant theoretical concepts or models from your course or research to the case. Make sure to explain how these theories are applicable to the issues at hand. Moving on, generate solutions and recommendations. Based on your analysis, propose potential solutions or strategies to address the identified problems. Remember to provide clear and actionable recommendations justified with evidence from the case and theoretical frameworks. Next, consider alternatives. Discuss alternative solutions or strategies and evaluate their pros and cons. Explain why you chose the recommended solution over other options. The eighth step is to address ethical and social implications. Consider any ethical or social implications of your recommendations. Discuss how your proposed solutions align with ethical principles. Now, it's time to organize your writing. Structure your case study assignment with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Use headings and subheadings to organize your content. Provide a brief overview of the case in the introduction and present your analysis and recommendations in the body of the assignment. Remember to summarize your key points and conclusions in the conclusion. The 10th step is to cite sources properly. Ensure you properly cite all sources and references used in your assignment, following the citation style specified by your instructor, be it APA, MLA, or Chicago. Finally, proofread and edit. Review your assignment for clarity, coherence, and grammar errors. Edit and proofread your work to ensure it is well written and free from mistakes. In conclusion, a case study assignment doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a structured approach, careful analysis, and clear writing, you can create a compelling and insightful case study that demonstrates your understanding and application of theoretical concepts.